This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Christina DiFilippo. With just over 30 acres, this property has so much potential. Could be restored to its most recent use as a farm as there is a large barn. Or could be used more commercially for its land as a strip mall, restaurant, gas station, hotel. Sky's the limit. You won't want to let this opportunity pass you by. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina DiFilippo at 304-201-7653.